Hi, my name is Clementa Amazan. I'm an attorney at Nochumson P.C, and this is In the Zone with Clementa Amazan. In our last episode, we went over the mixed income housing bonus. Today, we'll be discussing the green roof bonus. The green roof bonus provides developers with the opportunity to increase density. This bonus can be applied to properties in RM1, CMX2, and CMX 2.5 zoning districts. To be eligible for the bonus, the dwelling units must be located in a building with a green roof which covers at least 60% of the rooftop. For new buildings, the building's construction requires a minimum of 5,000 square feet of earth disturbance as determined by the Water Department. In the alternative, existing buildings or expansions of existing buildings, the building requires a minimum footprint of 5,000 square feet. The applicant must also execute a recorded deed in favor of the city, which requires the green roof be constructed and maintained at a minimum in accordance with the manufacturer's guidelines where applicable and with the Water Department standards. The green roof must be safely accessible and made available for inspection with reasonable notice given by the city. Recently, we worked on a CMX2 project in which we were able to combine both the green roof bonus and the mixed income housing bonus. Under the zoning for this particular project, 43 units and 1 commercial unit were permitted as of right. So, we then determined that we would apply the green roof bonus. If the green roof bonus was applied, 10 additional residential units would be allowed on the property. This would come out to a total of about 53 residential units and 1 commercial unit. We then took a look at the mixed income housing bonus. As you may remember from our previous video, the mixed income housing bonus has 2 levels of affordability: moderate income and low income. Developers also have the option of either providing affordable units or they can make a payment into the city's trust fund. For this project, if our client determined that he wanted to provide moderate income housing, he would have to provide at least 6 residential units. Alternatively, he has the option of paying into the city's trust. For this project, his payment would have to be around $423,000. This bonus would allow him to have 10 additional residential units at the moderate income level. This would total to about 53 residential units and 1 commercial unit. Alternatively, if low-income units were provided, at least 7 low-income units specifically, our client would be able to have 21 additional residential units. Alternatively, he could also make a payment into the city's trust fund for $630,000. So this would total to about 64 residential units and 1 commercial unit on the property through the low-income bonus. Our client also has the option of stacking the bonuses. So if he decides that he wants to go for the green roof bonus in addition to the moderate income bonus, which requires 7 residential units be provided or the payment of $423,000, he would be able to get 13 additional residential units, as well as the 1 commercial unit that's allowed as of right. This would total to about 66 residential units and 1 commercial unit on the property. Alternatively, if our client decides that he would like to couple the green roof bonus with the low income housing bonus, he has the option of either providing 8 residential units at the low income level or making a payment to the city of about $780,000. He would be able to have 26 additional residential units on the property. This gets us to a grand total of 79 residential units and 1 commercial unit on the property. So by applying these bonuses, we were able to get our client a significant increase in density. If you have a project in mind or have questions about the green roof bonus, please feel free to reach out to us.